Morgan Innovation and Technology are celebrating being recognised as winners of the Queen's Award for Enterprise 2016. I went along to Petersfield to find out more. The annual Queen's Awards recognise British firms for outstanding achievement in international trade, innovation and sustainable development. Exporting over 90% of their products, Morgan Innovation and Technology are the proud winners of an award for international trade. It's the second time they've won the award, and winning it was a team effort.
It's a fantastic achievement from the company, from all our staff that have contributed to this. It's the growth that we've had in our international trade over the last 3-4 years, selling to overseas markets, which is mainly the US. Well, we're a family company. It started by my mother and father. We've got, I think, 4 families in the company, our technical director and his wife. We've got a father and son team downstairs. We've got another husband and wife team that work with our administration manager, and the husband is our delivery driver. He's retired and he does deliveries and odds and all sorts for us.
The Queen's Award for Enterprise International Trade is awarded for growth and commercial success in international trade, and over the last 5 years Morgan Innovation and Technology's turnover grew from £1.8 million in 2010 to nearly £5 million in 2015. Now employing 40 staff, it was an entirely different story in the beginning.
We were set up about 1989, and I set it up with my wife, and it was initially set up at home in a bedroom. I developed with one of the local doctors a machine for doing what's called nerve denervation, which was a treatment on the back where you can knock out nerves and control pain. It's not procedures carried out in the operating theatre, and from a small beginning we now have about 60% of the world market.
A specialist medical manufacturer, Morgan Innovation and Technology now has plans to expand its general commercial manufacturing capability to take advantage of its team's skills in electronics engineering.
We invest a lot of our money back into other people's ideas and help people try and get their ideas to market, and everything we take on has to be worthwhile, that we will really make a difference in the world. We're working on a device at the moment which is a universal screening test for preeclampsia and fetal stress in pregnancy, so that will obviously make a huge difference to mother and babies. We've just been approached, and we're going to start work on a inflatable baby incubator for preterm babies that will go into war zones and refugee camps, and also into local midwives. We're working on a haptics glove for stroke rehabilitation. We're working on a device for sleep apnea and snoring. So really worthwhile projects that we think benefit.
Katie's doing a degree in electrical and electronic engineering as part of her apprenticeship as a design engineer. She comes from a scientific background and feels she fell on her feet with this opportunity.
I was doing a maths degree with the plan to become a maths teacher, but due to health issues I had to withdraw, so I took a year to get healthy and started looking for something on the jobs market to fund myself through a degree. And a member at the Hampshire County Council, East Hampshire County Council, sent my CV here, and they liked it, brought me in for an interview, and sort of took off from there. I definitely want to stay in the field of making products for medical and military. I really enjoy it, and it's something that is useful, and you're sort of giving back and is a genuine use to the community that I live in.
This is Shan Robbins for That's Solent.